Where can I find OneDrive file version history? Imagine working on a document and suddenly realizing you need to see what changes were made earlier. Or maybe you want to restore an earlier version after accidental edits. Knowing where to find the version history of your files can save you time and frustration. If you use OneDrive on your Windows computer, accessing this feature is straightforward. When you open File Explorer and locate your synced file, just right-click on it. In the menu that appears, look for the option called Version History. Clicking on it will bring up a list of previous versions of that file. You can see when each version was saved, who made the changes, and even restore an older version if needed. Restoring replaces the current file with that earlier version, so be sure you want to do that before confirming. You can also find version history through the OneDrive web interface. First, sign into your OneDrive account using a web browser. Find the file you want to review, then right-click on it or click the three dots next to the file name. From the menu, select Version History. A panel will open showing all saved versions, complete with timestamps and details about who made each change. You can open any version to view it, or choose to restore or delete it. This method is especially useful if you're working from a different device or want to see all versions without syncing your files locally. If you're editing a document directly in a Microsoft Office application like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, you can access version history without leaving the app. Click the File tab, then choose Info. There, you'll see an option called Version History. Clicking it opens a list of previous versions, allowing you to compare, open, or restore them right within the program. This feature is handy for quick recovery and tracking changes during your editing process. Remember, for personal Microsoft accounts, OneDrive keeps up to 25 previous versions of each file. For business or school accounts, the number depends on how your organization has set up the storage. If version history is turned off by an administrator, you won't see this option. Also, deleted files go to the recycle bin and stay there for a limited time, 30 days for personal accounts and 93 days for work or school accounts, unless someone empties it earlier. Using OneDrive's version history makes managing your files much easier. Whether you're on your desktop, browsing online, or editing in an Office app, you can quickly view, restore, or delete previous versions. This seamless integration within Windows and OneDrive helps you stay organized and recover your work effortlessly. So next time you need to see what changes were made or revert to an earlier draft, remember where to find that version history and make your workflow smoother.